This is continuous. What the hell? This has been going on for like what? The entire drive here, last 15 minutes. Just continuous flashing.
It's vlog time.
It's not even raining, it's just continuous lightning. I've never seen this before in my life.
I don't think it's heat lightning either because you just had regular storms, severe storms.
No, it's definitely not heat lightning because I'm seeing bolts behind the clouds.
That was sick.
Speaking of that, you can just see one. We're just sitting in a pizza parking lot, watching the world end.
Oh, here comes some rain.
Oh, here's the rain.
Collateral style.
Moving shots. We're getting fancy here now, people. Not that you can really see me because it's too.
No, you can kind of see.
I know.
At least you got yourself a cinematographer now.
Oh yeah.
This actually looks really cool.
Trying to maneuver through this little alley thing that they have here.
Yeah, don't run over
don't
anything.
hit the poles.
Don't support the stereotype.
Oh, hello, Akron Pizza. I like. Hey, I'm a good driver. I don't support stereotyping people. I'm sorry, Matt. Some more sitting and watching the storm.
Yep, more video recording.
Oh, well.
Like this guy is.
Yeah, it is pretty fun. We can actually get out of the car. I don't think we're going to be too much trouble here. We're at our low-cal pizza place. Yeah, low calorie. Yeah, right. Low calorie, my shit. Gosh, it starts raining on me again. If I turn that down, that helps because they're not overblowing. I spend way too much time with my husband. I'm just thinking like all the camera stuff of like how a shot should look. And I'm like, I must look so bad right now. It's so dark. There's like so much ambient light around me though that's probably really grainy and old-fashioned looking.
Also could be the phone.
Also, it could be the phone. I'm not sure, but it's a new phone, and
Still Samsung.
you iPhone snob, you. Pizza.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks, dude.
Have a good night.
Have a good night. Pizza. Put the bag. Put the pizza in. Close the bag. You are the guardian of the pizza. You must do right. You must keep that thing protected.
God damn it.
From getting hurt and to stay warm. If it is cold, kill you.
What if I throw it out the window?
It's about to rain again. Man, this is some crazy weather. And it's still going. What the fuck? So much lightning. Just continuously. I wonder if it's gonna follow us. Well, it's kind of raining up instead. So it's just kind of an all-over effect thing. My favorite thing is when we drive and we go from being in the rain to not being in the rain. And it's like, this happened. And then you realize the storm kind of like broke right there.
You're in the tornado.
Hmm?
The eye of the storm.
Yep, we're in the tornado.
I like being cameraman. I could do a really sweet pan shot.
Go for it. Akron's a really pretty city if you really start to look at parts of it. Certain parts of it. Not others. Oh, come on, you ridiculous red like you. It's only 66 degrees outside. So you really shouldn't complain. Our house is like 60.
You mean 50?
60! There might be 50s in the basement. Mr. Wrap yourself up in every blanket down in the basement.
I have no choice.
It's got our hypothermia.
Death.
Well, it'd be a nice, cold, long, drawn-out death.
Where will you bury me?
I mean, I have a giant hole in my backyard right now. It'd be kind of
I was
perfect
expecting
for
maybe
that.
the office.
I don't think they've fixed this road in a kind of a long ass time. They always just patch it. And I know, like I'm always just seeing them patching it and covering it.
Yep, just like Cleveland.
Yeah, basically. They don't have the budget for it. They're taking out the main thoroughway down behind us, actually, or over there. They're taking out the Martin Luther King Boulevard Jr. thing that they put in around the city, like the inner belt. They're taking it out. So it's like all of the construction at Akron right now is driving me absolutely insane. I can't tell you how often I seem to get pulled over for speeding through here. Look, it's over. Come on over, baby. Come on over. Ah. To be a byproduct of your generation, you can sing lines from music every time.
YouTube bot claims song.
Oh yeah, my terrible rendition of it too. I can't sing. I make animals weep when I sing.
Those poor animals.
You know, I feel terrible. It's really epic. I love thunderstorms. I remember when I was a little kid and didn't quite understand how storms really work. I'm talking like probably like 3 or 4 years old. When most kids are frightened by this kind of stuff, I'm just like plastered to the window, wanting to go outside and watch the storm. I'm just like, can I go outside? My girl would be like, no, it's lightning. I'm like, why not? You'll get struck by lightning. What's that mean? Not realizing it could kill me. Rain, make up your mind. Are you going to be strong or are you going to be soft? There should be no in between. You make me crazy. You make me crazy.
I'm so excited. Oh.
Crazy. Everything is
All night.
Oh.
Your most interesting vlog.
Oh yeah. I'm more interested in the storm. Oh. God, I love it. Hello, Copper. Hiding in your normal spot.
Mm-hmm.
Speeders. Chris, you gotta love me for this. Here it comes, the end of the world. I'm gonna make a run for it. Oh. Hi, we come bearing gifts. We're like the 2 wise men. We're the 3rd wise man pizza.
Hi.
Hi. Crazy ass fucking storm out there. Chris is editing his work, and I bring pizza.
What's up? Oh, get the water off for you.
Why do I have tongs in my hand? Put them on the table. Hi, Zeke. No, you're not getting pizza. They're getting a very great kitchen view of my very, like, I haven't done my dishes yet in the kitchen.
Don't worry, I panned down.
Hi, baby. Hi. I love you. I'm more sweet to the dog.
That's
than
me
I am to
being
my husband.
C3PO, I don't know. Currently editing a video. Our Wish Upon review.
Would you like a slice of nap?
I have some to go.
You have some to go? You're gonna leave in the middle of the hail?
Yes. We'll see what the radar looks like.
Let's unveil this thing, by the way. It's actually steaming in this bag. Steamy, steamy. Alright, for the camera, the sexy shot. That is one nice looking pizza.
Yeah. It's storming, Matt.
It is
Is
stormy.
it because we didn't like Wish Upon?
I'm gonna die on my way home tonight.
Be very careful on the way home.
Yeah, you could just spend the night.
Good
Not
dude.
for stands. Always does here. At the Stuckman abode. Eat your pizza. I go get drink. And have work.
The vlog has to end with somebody eating a slice.
All right.
And then the vlog has been
All
completed.
right, here we go. Ready?
They even did the perfect stretch.
Mm-hmm.
That's some long ass cheese.
Yum.
Bye, everybody. Say bye to the camera, Matt.
Bye, camera.
Blah, blah.